boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Ben.
Hi!
And Miss Cadence.
Hi!
And Miss Rachel.
Hi!
And I have Mr. Seth.
Hi!
And you know what, boys and girls? Today, we're going to be making fruit in a cloud.
Yeah.
What does that sound like to you? Does that sound yummy?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're going to have fun today. Look at the table. Look at all the wonderful fruit. Does it look good?
Uh-huh. I like to eat
Eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Well, we don't have apples, but boys and girls, you could add apples to this. I should have thought of that, huh?
Uh-huh.
Well, let's get started. You each have a banana, so peel your banana, and you can cut it into bite-sized pieces because you're making your own fruit in a cloud, okay?
Cool.
Peel it. Oh.
Miss Cinda, do you have to cook this?
No. That's what's so fun about this. Do you know, boys and girls, I always talk to you about safety in the kitchen. You can cut it on your cutting board, Ben. In fact, I'll throw all this away for you. You guys use your cutting board to cut your banana, okay? Lay your banana on the cutting board like this. There you go. And these we're going to put your fruit salad in later. And how about if I clean up the mess? What do you think?
Yeah.
Will that help?
Yeah.
There you go. So cut them into bite-sized pieces. Whoops. I'm going to be getting Ben another bowl.
I hardly even noticed that.
What if we drop something on the floor? What does Miss Cinda say?
We always wash it.
We wash it. We're not going to use it, are we? Okay. Did you get... Oh.
Miss Cinda?
Yes?
Well, we did to actually peels on our farm. We actually did it and put it inside the small little container. And then we did it outside and feed it to actually the actual deal.
Oh. Okay, cut it. When you get it cut in pieces, put it in your bowl. And then, Ben, you don't have to wait for me. You can just add all different types of the fruit. And the grapes, it's best to cut the grapes in half because these are pretty big grapes. And that's a lot to put in your mouth, boys and girls. So, and it looks nice in the fruit salad if you cut them in half, okay?
Miss Cinda,
Yes.
the blueberries, almost all of them are big and fat.
Those
Like
are
big
grapes,
fat
but you know what
cows.
you reminded me? I could have put blueberries in here too. Do you see, boys and girls? You're going to start thinking of all kinds of fruit that you can put in your fruit cloud.
Miss Cinda, why do you call it a fruit cloud?
Oh, you're going to see. I'm going to wait until you get all the fruit in that you want in your own fruit salads. Now, these are your individual fruit salads, so you put in what you like. And this is really a really fun thing to do, boys and girls, when you have friends over, because you can help your mommies and daddies to put all this fruit out.
Overs, and there was someone over the house, and someone was over our house.
And it's fun to have friends come over to your house, isn't it? And when you have friends over, you could put all this fruit out and let them make their own fruit salad. I bet they would like that, don't you? Yes? You like to have people over? You like to have your friends over? It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, Miss Cinda?
Yes?
Well, we had actually bonfire.
Oh, that sounds fun, too. Ben, don't get too many. You're getting an awful lot of grapes. You might want to add some other. Ben's going to have a banana and grape salad.
I'm not done with my banana.
You're not. And you need to cut the strawberries in half too, guys, because the strawberries are a little big. So cut the strawberries too. You want some strawberries? You want some, if you can't reach it, just tell me, okay,
Miss
Rachel?
Cinda, I'm making layers.
Oh, you're making layers. Are you almost done? Because when you're done with your banana, you can put it in and cut your grapes, okay? And Cadence, when you're cutting, hold part of it with one hand, okay? Because then it won't move on you. See? Now try and cut this one. See, if you hold it like this, look, let me, Miss Cinda, help you. See how we're holding it like this? And then it won't move on you. Isn't that a good trick? What do you think? Okay, see if you can do that now. Use this hand and hold it. Cut this one now. Oh, hold one. There, oh, hold it. That's just perfect. You're a quick learner. Did you know that? Do you like to be in the kitchen? Yes?
I like to be in the
Okay,
kitchen
put all that in
too.
here. Oh, Ben, you're getting an awful lot. Once you save some, you're making a big fruit salad. Let's save some for Cadence. Here, Cadence, let's put all, want me to help you put this in? There you go. Okay, now you want to get some grapes and get some grapes, and then you cut the grapes in half.
A little bit.
Do you want some pineapple, Rachel? Boys and girls, what kind of fruit do you think you're going to put in your fruit cloud?
Miss Cinda, maybe the boys and girls today will
It's got a stem. Well, pull it out because you don't want to eat that stem. That wouldn't taste good, would it?
No.
I don't
Miss
think
Cinda,
so.
look, I made a circle.
That's very pretty, Ben. You want any coconut?
Sure.
Oh, coconut's good. You want the coconut? Okay. Who made all this wonderful fruit for us?
God.
Did. I think he loves us a lot. What do you think? Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Miss
Hold it with
Cinda.
this hand.
Jesus did too.
And then let's very carefully cut it like that. See? There. Get another one. I'll help you with
Miss
another one.
Cinda,
Yes?
I like
Bless you.
pineapples.
You like pineapples? I,
this big one.
wow, you have a really big one.
Look at my big one.
Whoa, would that fit in your mouth at the same time?
No.
No. Here, let's cut with this end, okay? There we go. There we go. I bet there's another look at that big one. Wow. I don't know if that would fit in your mouth.
I'm pulling out.
Would that fit in your mouth? No.
Miss Cinda, I pulled out actually a seed.
You pulled out a seed.
Miss Cinda.
You know that grapes, oh, it fits in Ben's mouth. Do you know that grape seeds are actually good for you? Did you know that? Saw it. Go back and forth like this, like you're going to saw it. And see how easy that is when you do that? So go back and forth. Here, let's get another one. Yes, Seth?
If you pull out the seeds, you
Go back and forth.
can actually plant.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. There you go. Yeah, those grape seeds won't hurt you at all. You can eat those.
Well, I'm going
You want strawberry?
Plant coconut.
Oh, here's your coconut, sweetie. There you go. You want pineapple?
No.
Do you want some strawberries?
Miss Cinda, is there anything else I can put on my fruit salad?
Wow, Ben, that's beautiful.
Miss Cinda, look at mine.
Who's about ready for a cloud?
Me.
You want the mandarin oranges? There
I'm
you
ready
go.
for a cloud, Miss Cinda.
Are you about ready for a cloud?
No.
No? Maybe I could float like a fluffy cloud. I could float over and find some more clouds. You think I could? Let me float. I'm a fluffy cloud. Do I look like a fluffy cloud?
No.
What? I'm a fluffy cloud. I'm going to go get some more fluffy clouds. Oh, you guys wonder what fluffy clouds are? Look! I have a non-dairy whipped topping, and look, you can take a spoon And you can go like this and add a fluffy cloud. You want a little bit more fluffy cloud? Seth, you want to add a fluffy cloud to yours?
Yeah.
Doesn't it look like a cloud? Isn't it pretty? Yeah, now you know why I call it fruit in a cloud.
Miss Cinda, it is hard to come off this.
Oh, you know what? You got to just shake it. See?
Okay.
Look.
Yeah.
See, watch.
Can you give me the nuts?
The nuts, sure. There you go, Rachel.
Thank you.
From
Okay, I
Miss
think,
Cinda.
do you want some nuts?
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh, you like coconut, huh? She likes coconut. Are you ready for a cloud? Now are you ready for a cloud? And boys and girls, when you get yours done, you can eat it. That's what your little dishes are for, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Miss Cinda, so what is actually this for?
If you want to stir it all up, you can. Okay. You can stir it all up if you want, or you can just eat it like that and just leave your cloud on top, okay? And Ben, I need to get you another bowl because your bowl fell on the ground. So here we go. Here's Cadence's bowl. There you go. Now you can eat it, guys. Doesn't this look good, boys and girls? You're gonna want to try this. That's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. Good thing you guys are almost done. Seth, you can eat yours now.
But I'm cutting 2 more grapes.
Oh, you need 2 more grapes. Oh, I can see where you need more grapes. Are you ready for yours now?
No.
You're still making yours pretty. You're getting real creative, huh? Boy, that's good. How are you doing, Rachel? Are you ready for the cloud? Okay.
Miss Cinda, this is gonna be yummy.
How is it? Did you taste it? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. You know what? I love fruit, and so I could eat this every night. Who could eat this every night?
Me.
This is like dessert, isn't it? Ooh, and it's good for us, boys and girls. There you go, Rachel. You can put yours in your bowl, and you can try your fruit in a cloud. I think next time I would probably add mangoes to mine. You want pineapple? Yeah, good pineapple, huh? That's gonna be
Miss Cinda,
yummy.
look, I cut a strawberry and just put it in.
Ooh, do you like yours, Seth?
I didn't.
Oh, you're mixing yours all up. You haven't eaten yours yet, have you? Oh, this is so fun.
I think I cut it. I just strawberry. Two.
Cinda, that's our kitchen timer.
Oh, thank you, Cadence. That's our kitchen timer. We're all out of time, boys and girls. I hope you've had fun today. And always remember, anytime you're in the kitchen, it's fun.